guys, I got a new toy. It's very cool and I'm gonna open it. Let's see how it looks like. Guys, now we got it open. She can twist her head. She can go in here. And there's even their phone number. If something goes wrong, you can call their phone number. Yeah, and it's so important. And look, she can fly. Oh, she fed her wings. And now she can fly. It can go. Her wheels can go. Everything. And I like it a lot. Okay, Skye is here. Rubber is here. Rocky is here. Chase is here. Who's missing? Marcel. He might be somewhere else. Okay. Skye. Rubber. Rocky. Chase. Pops, a pretty good day in Adventure Bay. How are you doing? I'll message you if there's a problem in Adventure Bay. You need to come at the lookout that time, okay? While we're missing Marcel. I love all these toys, and I'm gonna do all of these for this day, and I'm still gonna wait for Marcel, and let's do that the next day. Bye.